So today we are going to open up the Melissa and Doug My Own Mailbox. They label it as a classic toy, which I think is really cute. Let's see what's inside. Okay. Now this toy is geared for ages 4 and up. I believe it requires a little bit more, maybe a little bit of a higher skill level than some of the other Melissa and Doug toys. So let's see what it comes with. Okay, so it comes with a little pencil, some cute little crayons. These are envelopes and little note cards. We have some stickers with our letters and our numbers. Very cute. And the most adorable little wooden mailbox I've ever seen. Okay, so cute. Let's open it up, see how much space we have inside. Okay, super adorable. Very easy to open and close. It looks like on the sides, both sides have this kind of little rectangle spot where it looks like you could put house numbers and you could spell out maybe your own street for your own address. On the other side, we have our little flag so we can know when we have mail or need to send mail out. Really, really cute. Really sturdy. Has a nice little sturdy stand. You don't have to worry about it really tipping over. Really nice. Let's open up these note cards. What I love about Melissa and Doug is that most of the time their toys reflect what we see in the real world. So when you're at home with your kids, they have the opportunity to build and develop skills that will actually pertain to real life, which is, I think, really great. Okay, so Melissa and Doug crayons, which I think is really cool. You get blue, orange, and red with this set. Not like typical crayons. You can adjust the level, or at least how high. So as the crayon gets used, you can push it up to get more crayon. You don't have to worry about these breaking. They're made out of a plastic holder, essentially. And then when you pull it down, it's less likely of a chance that the crayon is going to break. So you get a longer lasting use out of these particular crayons, which I really like. Again, you get just like a little golf pencil. And then our cards. Oh, that's cute. It's like a little postcard style. It has a pretend stamp on there, made out of a good plastic. Won't easily bend too much or crease. Won't break apart if maybe your little one takes a bite out of it. I have an 18-month-old who bites everything, and I wouldn't be worried about this breaking off in his mouth. On the back, it looks like an outline of a head and, the upper body. So maybe your child could draw a portrait of themselves. So that's really cute. We also have another one. This one has a stamp. This one is blank on the back. And then we have this one, which just looks like paper. You could pretend to write a letter. This is awesome for literacy skills, practice writing, spelling, and again, also even recognition with the stickers, the numbers and the letters, letter recognition. Super cute. And then you have a little envelope already stamped, opens up, and it has a closing effect. Really nice. And I'm assuming that the letter, when you fold it, can just fit right inside. How cute is that? And then you just pop it right in. Oh, so cute. That is really nice. Yeah, I like this a lot. It develops a lot of different skills. Fine motor with using the pencil and the crayons, taking the stickers off, that kind of thing. Really, really nice. Lots of opportunities to learn and play.